this is the one that my family keeps talking about.
Yes.
And what are they called?
Parmesan Cheese Rounds. I actually use just white bread, thin bread.
Yeah,
So you cut them out, you toast them on one side, run them under the broiler.
Oh, you did broil those rather than bake them.
Yeah, you run them under the broiler, what I call a slow broil, which I mean the broil is kind of in the middle of the oven, the rack is in the middle of the oven instead of on the top.
Yes.
Then you just turn them over, and I use what I call hot dog mustard.
Yes.
You just want a thin layer of this.
Okay.
For the topping, you just use a cup of mayonnaise, then about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. You can buy the Parmesan cheese that's already grated. For this recipe, it doesn't matter.
Okay, but there's nothing like grating your own.
There's nothing like grating your own, but when you're making Parmesan cheese rounds for 300 people, we made 700 last night.
You made 700 of these last night.
Well, because everybody will eat at least 2. Like for your party.
Yes.
I'll have probably 3 each since you're
I was going to say, now,
so
if you just have 3 each, Susan, that one more time, that will mean I won't get any.
Well, we're going to save you some in the kitchen.
Please.
I'll hide you some. Now, get that mustard spread
all the way
to
I'm
the
so
end.
sorry.
All right, you just put your Parmesan cheese in there and mix it up.
You're serious about that mustard, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm serious about it. I'm a little picky about some things. Okay, I've got to slice these onions. They've already been peeled. And you've got to slice them really thin to make it work.
Now, why do you use the pearls?
Well, I usually use the boiler because they're bigger.
So you're just putting the raw onion right there on top? I'm
just putting it right there on top. All right, now after I do the onion on there, then I'm going to put just what I call a dollop.
Okay, now what did you say that was? A cup of mayonnaise?
And a half a cup of Parmesan.
Okay.
So we just use a teaspoon.
So you have really created a simple, wonderful recipe.
It's very easy. It's very easy.
You want me to be cutting while you're doing that? You want me to cut some more onions?
Yeah, that'd be great. All right, now we're going to put them in the oven, and we're going to have to watch them.
I've got it on full broil, Susan.
Is this one that's
See, I mean, it's on full broil.
Okay, that's what we want.
Now, I always broil with my oven cracked. Do you?
Oh, well, you know, the only time I have to crack it is after the broil has been on for a while, it goes off. But if you crack it, it'll come back on.
Yeah.
The fire will come back on.
But I have to tell you, this is the hottest broiler you see. I mean, it is going to town.
I usually put a radicchio on the tray to decorate, and you've got to be very patient, which I'm not, but to kind of pull the leaves
Oh, you just kind of curling back.
Yeah,
yes.
you got to be real patient.
Yes.
Because you need to pull them out one by one.
Yeah, I'll help you do that.
There you go.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful.
All right. Susan, these look done. Well, I think they look positively beautiful.
Okay.
Let me just grab a tray and our radicchio flour. Now look how pretty that is. Looks like a beautiful flower.
Now, they are hot.
Yes.
So you have to wait a minute.
They could pull the skin off the roof of your mouth.
Absolutely.
They're just
Paula, are you excited about having another birthday? I always get excited when I have one.
Every birthday I'm excited about.
Me too, and I like my birthday. I'm like you, I always want to party.
I just try not to think about the number, you know?
Oh, yeah.
But all about the celebration with friends and...
Okay, there we go. They're one bite.
This is, you stick the whole thing in your mouth?
Whole thing in your mouth.
Susan, those are so incredible. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.